So we've had a few long videos recently, a couple of long ones, so I thought today we'd do a fun short one. We were having a play around with the machine the other day to make a drink for the Vertuo machine. We just put not so much milk in, the Aerocino 4, and we're going to use the non-froth setting actually, this standard milk setting. So I'll just set that going and I'll tell you what it is. It's basically just, we named it as a joke, the Vertuo Gran Macchiato we called it. But actually, having just looked around on the internet at Nespresso's own recipes, I've come across it on their own website. So I can't take glory for inventing it. They called it something like the Latte Gran Lungo, I think they called it. So we'll be naming it that as well, or I prefer Vertuo Gran Macchiato. What do you prefer? Well, you'll see, it's a pretty smart drink. I'm going to make it just with this Vertuo capsule. It's just a Gran Lungo capsule, that one. And like I say, we're just using the non-froth setting. But you do still get a bit of milk on, you get like a milky texture underneath and a froth above it, and that makes it separate in the Vertuo mugs, these Vertuo mug set that we're going to be using. It separates just like a latte macchiato would, and it looks really smart, especially when it settles. It's dead easy to make, just like the latte macchiatos are. So I'll put this back down here. So we're just going to pour the milk straight into there. Make sure you don't put too much milk in though. We've tried this a couple of times now, and every time we overestimate how much milk it needs. Don't fill it anywhere near to the black dot on the spring. So let's see if we get it right this time. So we'll just pour this out. So it's just milky underneath, look. And then all the froth will drop down on top. Pop that, I'll clean that up in a minute. That just sits on there. And now we'll watch it pour. Like I say, Vertuo capsule, you could use any Gran Lungo. So give it a try. Aerocino 4, non-froth setting, not too much milk, capsule of Gran Lungo, and that's what we can create. Thanks for watching, share it with your friends. If you do subscribe to the channel, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and please do give the video a like if you've enjoyed it. Thanks for watching the video, check out our other videos, and bye for now.